What is React? So React, how it works? So we will understand. So React is a JavaScript library made by Facebook, and then React is a tool for building the UI component. The first, if anyone asking in the interview room, you have to understanding React is not a framework, right? React is a React is not a frame. Sorry. So React is not a framework. React is a JavaScript library. Remember always. Okay. What is React is a JavaScript library, not a framework. Okay. And the React is a tool. We can also say React is a tool for building the UI component. हम किसके लिए काम करते हैं? For the UI component. And how does React works? So React creates a virtual memory, we can say virtual DOM. It creates internally in the memory. So in the virtual DOM means like HTML we have, and that is that have a real DOM, right? If anything happen in the real DOM, it will display the elements in your UI, right? So same React creates virtual DOM rather than the real DOM in the memory. And instead of manipulating the browser DOM directly, React creates a virtual DOM in the memory. And where does it all the necessary manipulating happens? Okay, and before making any changes in the browser. So before going to the browser, what will happen? Virtual DOM will manipulate all the necessary, right? All the necessary, it will reflect all the requirements, all the logic, it will calculates and manipulates the UI, and then after that it will display to the real DOM, that is a browser. Okay, and React only changes what needs to be changed, not it will reflect to the whole, right? If we have five children of a parent UI div, so it will only reflect to the given module, not the entire module. Okay, only the parts of the, we can say, data it will display, and the rest will be remain same. Okay, so this is the best feature that makes better than we can say Angular or any other technology React is in the market. Okay, only those part it will display, that is need to be reflected. And another concept is the virtual DOM concept. It will display the memory, it will display everything before going to display on the browser. Okay, so keep in point, I'm going to revise again what is React. So React is a JavaScript library made by Facebook, and React is a tool for building the UI component. And the second is React is React creates internally a virtual DOM. Okay, instead of manipulating the browser DOM directly, it will first create a virtual DOM in the memory, and then it will do its manipulations, its required calculations, and then after the manipulation done, it will go to the browser DOM, that is a real DOM. Okay, and the last part what we have discussed, the React is only changes that need to be changed. It will not going to reflect if we have a single page application, if we have changed only limited drop down conditions, and we are going to see what is the reflection. So only those part data will reflect, not the entire page data it will reflect. Okay, so thank you guys, and let's connect in another points, that is our React JS history. And if you want to know, then we can continue, otherwise we will leave. Okay, in the for the next video. The first we have version of React came into 2019, but now it's a 16 point is going on. So we can say after the March 2019 it is version 16. Okay, so version 16 contains all the latest modules. Initial release to the public was 2013 July. Okay, and React was the first used in 2011 by the Facebook. And then we can say the developer was Jordan Walke, and it creates the Facebook React JS for its own use, and then it makes public. And the React Create App version 2.0 package came in October 2018. So this is all about and about the React. Okay, so we will now go to the next module, where we will see how to install and those things. Okay, so first there are some uh, steps we have to follow. The first step is the first install node, right? So you can go to Google and you can check how to install. Otherwise, just go to the node.js and then install node. Then if you want to do path setting, it is all right. Otherwise, what you have to do, npm install globally you can take, and then create react app. So this is a module already available after 2018, right? In the history I have told you. So 2018 it have came. So we have to first install the create react app globally in the package. Okay, then we have to create then we have to install create react minus g. We can do also similarly way. Okay, and then navigate to the folder where you want to create the project, or call create react app and the app name. Okay, so it will create your app in your local system, and then you can see all the packages and everything. So we will see in the next lecture these models. I will not go through the node installation because I already done. So you have to go to the YouTube or anywhere in the Google and then see how to install and how to make the path is not a big deal. You have to just go to install and install it. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely help you. Thank you.